Hey guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY guys. What am I expecting on the XY? So before we do to this analysis, I will do a quick reply on the XY. Let's see recap on the XY. So let's see if you watch my previous analysis on the XY, I said I was predicting the XY to fall to the downside. We can see I had a zone run around this here right here of me predicting that there is that possibility for the XY to push up to this zone area right here before pushing to the downside. But as we can see that the XY decided to push up a little bit further. So if I take the zone and take the zone, let's say if I draw a zone right around this area right here, we can see that it's still part of around this area right here for it to continue to push to the downside. And as soon as we got around that area right here, we got around this area right here, we can see a draw zone here. We saw this rejection around that area right here with this doji candlestick, which we know is like the indecisive candlestick. We can see like the next candlestick was a beautiful bear candlestick, and we can write it down to our first TP area, which is 103.765, as you can see around that area right here. So my first TP was here right here, and I said if we continue to see momentum of sell around that area right there, then I will write it to my first TP, my second TP, which is 103.325. As you can see that the markets got to this TP area right here, we started rejecting around this area right here. So I knew there was a possibility for it to push up to maybe around this zone right here. That was my initial thought, that we might push up a little bit to that zone, then we might continue to push down or push up. As we can see that we currently broke this one and we are retesting the zone, retesting the zone. So now let's see what the market, let's reanalyze the XY based on the current price market, and let's see how the market is gonna play out. Let's do that. Just like you know, I like to do top-down analysis. I'm going to go to a bigger time frame just to look at the overall market of the XY to see what we are looking forward to. You can see right around this area right here, nothing much. Let's go to my weekly time frame. You can see that based on my previous analysis on the XY, I'm predicting the XY to sort of push to the downside. We can see right here that we had this kind of like M pattern right here, which is a reversal chart pattern. We broke this candlestick with this beautiful bear candlestick momentum, which we can see it's the engulfing candlestick. So I'm still predicting it to at least come down to my negative 27% fib level, which is also a possible touch of the trend line, as you can see as well. So now let's go to my daily time frame and see what we might be looking at. It's kind of like in like a conflicting state right now, but overall certainly I'm still saying a push to the downside. Overall we can see that we currently broke this this zone right here, so there is that possibility of it retesting this area right here, then continue to push the upside to actually fill the imbalance before we might see that push to the downside. That's a possibility that I'm saying, right? So let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see. We can see around this area right here that the market is kind of like choppy around this area. I'm gonna draw a zone here, right? It's kind of choppy around this area. We can see it has this impulse come here to retest, and it's not giving any solidified of a buy yet, to be honest. So apart from the fact that it's rejecting around the zone, I'm going to draw a counter trend line right here. Just we can see that based on this counter trend line right here, we can see we have first touch, second touch, a possible third touch. If I see of any momentum of buy, there's probably going to ride it up to this area, but be mindful around this zone as well. We can see that we've had quite a rejection around that zone, so that's a place to be mindful as well. I'm just going to draw another zone right around this area right here, because that's an imbalance that needs to be filled, that hasn't been filled yet. So there is that possibility of it coming to that area right here to fill that imbalance. So that would be a good target if we're going to take our target right there. As you can see, so if I put a mini fib around my point A here to point B, we can see that my from here to here, we can see that my negative 27% fib level is inside that box as well, which is 104.799, as you can see right here. So that's just adds together, and that's why I used to say that market structure, Fibonacci, price action actually collides together and can work together. So let's see. Hmm, let me change. So if we're going to continue to buy, right, this would be our TP area right around this area right here. Like I said, be mindful of the zone, right, because we rejected around that zone. So even if you write it here, put your profit already in the market, because we might still reject, probably come back or continue, right? So for us to actually solidify a continuation of buy, whenever we get here, if we see a buy momentum candlestick that breaks the zone right here, then there is a possibility of it getting to around that area, right? So just like we know that we don't predict the markets, we react to the market. So there is a possibility for a fall as well. But for us to actually take a sell to be safe, I would rather want it break out of this zone right here. Right, give us a retest and we might write it down to the downside. So that is my thoughts right now on the XY. Let's see. So I'm just gonna put my scenario for like uptrend, something like this, to right up to this my negative 27% level, which is my first TP area. Then my second TP will be around here. Be my TP 2 for the XY. Like I said, we know we don't predict the markets, we react to the market. So if anything happens and we're going to push to the downside onto the XY, this would be a good one right here. Right here will be first TP, and my second TP will be my previous zone. Yeah, let's see. So this is my quick analysis on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.